Say goodbye to store-bought sauces. We have a quick and easy recipe for you. Imagine crafting a homemade sauce, bursting with flavors and free from preservatives. A sauce that's healthier and more delicious than anything you can find on a supermarket shelf. For this, you'll need some milk, olive oil, lemon juice, salt, black pepper, a garlic clove, green onions, parsley, and most importantly, a pastry blender. Before we start, make sure to have a pastry blender at hand. It's crucial for the success of this recipe. Start with pouring 50 milliliters of milk into a bowl. As the milk cascades down, you can almost see the beginnings of our homemade sauce. But it's not a one-ingredient show, folks. Let's now introduce the star of the show, 100 milliliters of olive oil. Watch as the oil and milk mingle, creating an interesting contrast of colors and textures. Here comes the fun part, the blending. Take a pastry blender and dive it into the sea of milk and oil. The key here is to beat the mixture for a full minute without lifting the blender from the bottom. Why, you ask? This technique ensures a perfectly integrated mixture, transforming the milk and oil into a creamy, dreamy base. It's the secret behind our sauce's delightful consistency. So, there you have it, a creamy base whipped to perfection, ready to embrace a world of flavors. Now that we have a creamy base, it's time to add some flavor. Let's enhance our sauce with some classic ingredients. Begin by drizzling in 3 tablespoons of fresh lemon juice. This will give your sauce a tangy kick. Then, for a perfect balance, sprinkle in half a teaspoon of salt. Now, let's add a bit of zest with a good grind of black pepper. Remember, the amount of pepper you use is entirely up to you. The more you add, the spicier your sauce will be. Next, crush 1 garlic clove and mix it into the sauce for an extra layer of flavor. Now, for some freshness, chop up some green onions and parsley and stir them in. If you have frozen parsley at hand, that works just as well. Now, with all these flavors in the mix, it's time for a good stir. Blend everything together until it's well combined, and voila! Your delicate homemade sauce with a pleasant taste is ready to elevate any dish. It's as simple as that, folks. Just a quick recap. Mix milk and olive oil, add some lemon juice, salt, pepper, garlic, green onion, and parsley. And you've got yourself a delicate, tasty sauce. The beauty of homemade sauces is the freshness and the ability to tweak the flavors to your liking. So, what are you waiting for? Dive into your kitchen and whip up this delight. Don't forget to share your experiences in the comments below. We'd love to hear how your sauce turned out. Thanks for watching and have a nice day, friends.